Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which is the form of cold sterilization. Gamma rays and the beta rays are forms of cold sterilization. So we will see some points about the cold sterilization or ionizing radiations. Cold sterilization mainly includes ionizing radiations like we have X-rays, gamma rays, beta and cosmic rays. So these are actually highly lethal to DNA. They also have high penetrating power. But the main thing is they do not cause any increase in temperature. That is the reason why we call them as cold sterilization. Infrared radiations will increase the temperature. So these infrared radiations are considered as hot sterilization. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.